In this video, we are going to check out the new Capture.io analytics section. You get a lot of details and it'll be awesome for your clients to see. Let's get right into it. Oh, and if you don't know what Capture.io is, it's an all-in-one Matterport virtual tour software and management platform. There's a lot of stuff that they do, and this is just a small part of all the benefits. And be sure to stick around to the very end where I show you the heat map. Game changer. Let's get started. So once you have your Matterport downloaded into your Capture.io account, basically takes your Matterport and creates these overlays. And what we're checking out today is the Analytics tab, which has been recently updated, and it has a lot of information that you can use for your clients. So right now we are going to check out the virtual tour stats. This is one I recently had done, and it went into contract fairly quickly, so you can see the arc of how many views there were, all the usual information, total page views, your unique visitors, total visits, and your average visit duration, which this is a key number here. The average person was spending almost 4 minutes on this tour. A very cool thing that your clients would love is the top sources. So 18 were from the Flex MLS, some were direct, so if this link was shared, anything like that, Realtor.com, etc., even Remax. It has a lot of details of where the traffic was coming from. And then you also have your devices, operating systems, and the size, if it was desktop, mobile, how they accessed the information, where they were from that they were accessing it. Obviously 36 mostly from the local area, 2 from Canada, and 1 even in Germany. So that gives you some idea of internationally how it is being viewed, but then you can also get it down to cities, where the most cities that were being viewed. This is a house for sale in the Phoenix metro area. So there was a couple people from Mesa, Arizona, Phoenix, Arizona, Prescott, but you can see that was a wide variety of cities and areas that were covered in this that people were looking at. But check out probably the most useful thing is for this is the heat map. Now, if you're doing a house that's for sale, it gives you an idea where people spent most of their time looking. If it's a business, it'll give you a great idea of exactly where they were looking, what they were looking at, if they're spending more time in one room. And on this house specifically, we took this tour outside, and they spent a lot of their time outside where the pool was, checking that area out, in the bedrooms, and they spent more time in the kitchen and checking out other areas. So that's pretty interesting. What's great about this, depending on your client, you can send one-time reports, or you can schedule recurring reports, and then that way they get updated as you have their tour live. So if this was a business, anything like that, where you're doing this kind of work and you're using Captured to keep track of the data, this is a great way for you to schedule an analytics report to be sent to them constantly. And then there's also lead generation, where they fill out a form, anything like that, that all gets combined in here. And that can be also downloaded CSV file. If you found this helpful, the link to Captured is below. If you have any questions about the analytics or anything like that, comment below. Also, if you want to learn more about Captured and all their features that they have offered, be sure to like and subscribe, because I'm doing more videos about Captured specifically, including their virtual staging, their Matterport editing, their walkthroughs, and a lot more. So until the next video, have a great day.